What if learning new technologies could be simple and engaging? What if all of the skills and knowledge you need to design, deploy, and manage the cutting-edge networks of tomorrow are right at your fingertips? Nokia's accessible learning and certification solutions make this a reality for our partners, helping your business to access new revenue streams, attract new customers, and drive growth. At Nokia, we understand that learning and selling new technologies can feel overwhelming. You might wonder, where do I even start? Is it worth the investment? Why should I move away from what I know? We get it. That's why, as a Nokia partner, you're not alone. We've built an easy-access learning ecosystem designed specifically for you to hit the ground running and emerge as a more self-sufficient, knowledgeable, and confident leader in your field. Whether you're a sales specialist, sales engineer, or technical expert, Nokia's Partner Learning Store will help you master our latest network products and become a trusted authority across all use cases. You can also become a certified expert in the technologies transforming the network landscape with our industry-recognized certifications for IP, data center, optical, and fiber access solutions. We know that your time is precious, so you can learn on your own time and at your own pace with free training available through e-learning, self-study materials, and our learning labs. We also offer expert-led hands-on training with live instructors available both in person and virtually. Join virtual open sessions scheduled in time zones that work for you, including our advanced virtual reality training, which takes hands-on learning to the next level, allowing you to develop installation and commissioning skills in a fully immersive, risk-free environment. And if you ever need any support, Nokia is always there. We provide all the access to resources, tools, and experts you need to help you thrive. Becoming a Nokia partner is more than just a smart business decision. It's an investment in your future. Access the Partner Learning Store to transform your expertise, unlock new revenue streams, and grow your business with Nokia. Learning new technologies doesn't have to be daunting. Start your journey today.